Want to know how to delete your entire chat history with an AI bot in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can simply open up your Dola AI application or the website. So we have also created a video on how to download and log into Dola AI, so make sure to watch that. So on the leftmost side, you should be seeing your chat history by default with you and your AI bots. So the different ones, as you can see on the leftmost side. So in order to delete the chat, just simply select an AI bot right here. And now once you start with your AI bot, on the top right side, you should be seeing this three dot icon. Just simply select that. Then now once you start with this three dot icon, just simply select it again on the top right side. And here you should be seeing delete all chat history. Just simply select that. And then select delete, and your chat history should be deleted. But the chatbot should still be present on the chat history. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.